Students, so in this video I am going to explain wonderful basic topic, that is how to write electronic configuration for elements. So if you want to write electronic configuration, first you need to understand one important diagram, that is Euler's diagram. Clear na students? So now I am going to teach you what is Euler's diagram. So after completion of the diagram, you people going to find answer for any element. You can able to write a electronic configuration for any element, no doubt. Yeah, just look at the board. So dear students, Euler's diagram, first important point, Euler diagram depends on one rule, that is Aufbau rule. So what is the meaning of Aufbau? Aufbau is nothing but a building up. So if you observe any apartment, so what is the apartment procedure? First ground floor, next first floor, second floor, like that. Construction, if you observe like that. So here in our chemistry, what is the exact meaning, student? Lower energy level to higher energy level. What is the meaning of building up? Lower energy level to higher energy level. That indication electrons first entered into lower energy level, then afterwards higher energy level. Okay, anyhow. So here lower energy level is nothing but 1, 2, 3 ISA. So higher energy levels is nothing but 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Okay, anyhow, just look at the board. How to write Euler's diagram in a very smooth manner. Just look at the board. I am going to use the logic. First, being a student, you need to write numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, you have to do one thing. You just remove first one and last one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same logic. 3, 4, 5, 6. Same logic. 4, 5. Clear na students? Next, what are the orbitals? In our chemistry, orbitals nothing but s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. 4 orbitals. S, p, d, f. Do one thing, copy paste. Yes, you need to follow one logic, that is diagonal. Clear na students? First electron entered into 1s orbital, next 2s orbital, like this, diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. This is the last orbital, but now for just understanding purpose I have given, but actually it is not in our chemistry. You just remove it permanently. Okay students, this is Euler's diagram. So now we are going to explain how to write electronic configuration based on this diagram. Clear na? Okay students, first atomic number. What is the first atomic number? Hydrogen. So hydrogen atomic number 1. So next, helium atomic number 2, lithium atomic number 3, beryllium atomic number 4, boron atomic number 5. Okay students, we do one thing. First, we can complete these 5 elements. Clear na? Yeah. And one more important point before get into electronic configuration, I would like to say one important point, that is in our chemistry the maximum capacity of s orbital is 2 electrons and maximum capacity of p orbital is 6 electrons and d orbital maximum capacity is 10 electrons and f orbital maximum capacity is 14 electrons. Why? Because s orbital represented by one box maximum capacity 2 electrons. Next, p orbital represented by 3 boxes maximum capacity 6 electrons. D 5 orbitals capacity 10, F 7 orbitals capacity 14. This is very important table. Each and every student just keep in our mind forever and ever. Clear na? So s orbital maximum capacity 2 electrons, p orbital maximum capacity 6 electrons, d orbital 10 electrons, f orbital 14 electrons. Clear? So now game becomes very simple. Dekho students, so first hydrogen atomic number 1, we need to start with here. So this is the lower energy level. So 1s, and one more important point, atomic number equal to number of electrons. This is the standard formula. That indication, if a hydrogen have 1 atomic number, then it contains 1 electron. If atomic number is 2, electrons also 2. If atomic number 6, electrons also 6. If atomic number 10, electrons also 10. This is the simple logic. Anyhow, so what is the atomic number here? 1. Then how many electrons present? one only, 1s1 completed. So this is nothing but electron, this is nothing but orbital, this is nothing but orbit. So first orbit s orbital, एक electron. Clear? Next, helium 2, same logic, 1s. Here you need to write 2. Next, lithium, first 1s, 1s2. You don't write 1s3. Why? Because s orbital maximum capacity 2 electrons. Okay students, 1s completed. Next 2s. How many electrons you need to write here? Only 1. Why? Because total electrons 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Clear na students? Like this way. Next up, beryllium atomic number 4. 4 is nothing but 4 electrons. You need to write like this. 1s2, 2s2. 2 plus 2, 4. Clear. Next 5. You need to write like this. 1s2, 2s2. Don't write 2s3. Why? Because s capacity 2 electrons only. Okay students, 1s. After completion of 1s, 2s. So here 1s2 completed, 2s2 completed. Next electron enters into 2p. So 2p, how many electrons students? Only 1. Why? Because total 5 electrons. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Clear na students? Next, for better understanding purpose, we will discuss 6 to 10. What is the atomic number 6? Carbon. Next, nitrogen. Next, oxygen. Next, fluorine. Next, neon. Okay students, same procedure. Just look at the board. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p. 1 becomes 2 here. Then 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Clear na students? You just do one thing student, you just add one valency electron. That's it. That's more enough. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Next 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Next 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Next 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. p orbital maximum capacity 6. Clear na? So next, suppose if I give atomic number 11. Atomic number 11 is nothing but sodium. Then what is our answer? You have to write like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Don't write 2p7. Why? Because p maximum capacity 6 only. Okay, anyhow, 1s completed, 2s completed, 2p completed. 1s completed, 2s completed, 2p completed. Next electron entered into 3s. So what is the balance electron? Only one electron is the balance. So 3s1. So for sodium you need to write like this. Clear na students? Any element you just go through Euler's table only. Clear na? Okay students, just look at the board. Just look at the board. Next, magnesium. Magnesium atomic number 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Clear na students? How to write aluminum? Aluminum atomic number 13. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Next to 3p1. Why? Because 3s, after completion of 3s, electron entered into 3p. Clear na students? So for any element you need to write like this. Clear na students? You have to find electronic configuration for potassium and calcium. So how to write electronic configuration for potassium? So potassium atomic number 19. So 19 is nothing but okay, you just follow table. 1s2, next to 2s2, next to 2p6, next to 3s2, next to 3p6, next to 4s1. Just look at the board. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Clear na students? Next. Or what about calcium? Same logic. You just add one valency electron. Then 4s1 becomes 4s2. Remaining similar. That is the logic. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Clear na students? For any element you just go through table, you will get answer. Okay students, next video I will discuss how to find valency electrons. Clear na students?